We're going to keep going with some tangent problems that we've learned at the end of last week. We're just going to try some that are a little bit more challenging. So remember, if a line is tangent to a circle, then it's perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so that makes this a right triangle. So what is a little bit challenging about this one is I have a leg of x and a leg of 15, but then my hypotenuse is x plus 9. So I'm squaring this binomial. So this left side is going to stay the same for now. On the right side, you learn these in algebra using the box method to multiply out, or you can use double distribution. But what's important here is that you don't forget the middle term. So here you have x squared, 9x, 9x, and 81. So your middle term is 18x. So a common mistake students will make is they'll just square these two and forget about the middle term. So this is what your right side looks like now. At this point, if I try to get my x squareds on the same side, they're both going to cancel out. So then I have 15 equals 18x plus 81, and now it's easier to solve. Actually, I forgot to square this. So it would be 225 here. Okay, so now I can subtract 81. Which I believe is 144. And then divide by 18. Which is 8. So my radius is 8, or this hypotenuse is 17. All right, given that AB is tangent to circle D, find x. So we know these are perpendicular, but the problem here is that this is not a right triangle. What I can do, though, is make a right triangle in the middle here. There we go. So now I have this right triangle. I know my hypotenuse is 8. I'm trying to find this leg. And then this leg right here would be 8 minus 2, because the whole way across is 8 and this little piece is 2. So this leg is actually 6. So we'd have 6 squared plus x squared equals 8 squared. And then we can solve from there. 28. Okay, exact form, they didn't specify what they wanted, but exact form would be 2 root 7. Or as a decimal, that's 5.29. All right, given that CD is tangent to circle A and B, find x. So they already drew in your right angles here, and we're trying to find this piece. And since these are similar triangles, because by angle, because here you have this angle's the same by the reflexive property, so you have angle, similarity, we can set up a proportion. So let's do leg over hypotenuse, but you could switch that upside down. So here, for my big triangle, my leg is 6, and my hypotenuse is x plus 10. For my small triangle, my leg is 4. Well, and I've been calling them the hypotenuse. I just mean the larger leg, actually. The hypotenuse, we don't know. So short leg over long leg is really what we're doing here. And then you could flip that upside down again. But here, we're going to cross multiply. So I have 60 equals 4x plus 40. Don't forget to distribute your 4. Which is going to make x 5 centimeters. Okay, so 6 over 15 is the same as 4 over 10.